Do you want to finally be able to build a squeeze page without having to do all the manual coding that's involved? If so, stay with me. I got something super special for you in my review of Affiliengine. Before we get to that, my name is Derek Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat, and that's because I wear fedora well pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you're new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Basically to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, seriously, I was away for a couple of weeks and he still every day complains. It's really annoying. The way things work here is that if I like a product, I'll give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. I need to hear that after that Bart person who keeps complaining. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Okay, so we are on the sales page for Affiliengine. It's a brand new product from my friend David Kirby. And the software is actually really interesting. Basically, this is a WordPress plugin. Not very hard to use WordPress. If you haven't used WordPress before, really it's not hard to use. Go ahead and just install it. It'll take 5 seconds. In my custom bonus, I will actually share with you a website where you can get free WordPress hosting. If you need to get WordPress hosting, you don't want to spend money for it. Honestly, I don't think you should, but if you want, this is a website you can get free WordPress hosting to get you started. Okay, so basically what this does is like this. It's basically designed, it's not really a funnel builder. That's a little bit of misnomer that you see here on the sales page, unlimited funnels. It's really designed to create what are called squeeze pages. What's a squeeze page anyway? So a squeeze page is basically designed to squeeze a customer for their email address. And the idea is that you will be able to offer some sort of a free gift in exchange for getting people to give you their email address. That actually, by the way, brings me to my custom bonus. I'm going to actually give you a pack of 5 different products that you can actually give away as your bonus to people and to get them to actually go ahead and purchase your product. In addition, I'm also going to tell you where you can find a free WordPress hosting site. Okay, so the software is actually really easy to use. I actually just installed it on one of my demo websites. You can see David Kirby is a good friend of mine, and Kevin Byrne, and Lucas Cepeda. So let's go ahead and take a look at the members area here. It's really not much of a members area, to be perfectly honest. Okay, basically you go here and it's just a place to go ahead and download the stuff. And it's going to take you over to here where it's going to give you a video course explaining how to use the software. It's not very hard. Okay, and then finally we're going to come here to the actual thing. This is actually one of my test domains that I have. I just use it. Basically, I purchased it at one point and never really used it. So I want to show you how easy this is to do. Okay, so basically you can have a pre-header, like, so for example, you can write welcome over here, for example. Okay, and then you have a headline. Are you tired of trying and failing online? And you could choose different fonts. I don't recommend using a whole bunch of fonts. Try to stick to one font. Right, you can have an image if you want an image, basically like a background image. You can have a subheader and call to action text. Get my free gift. Now, again, you can choose the font, you can choose the color, choose the background color, the whole 9 yards. Okay, and on the form that it's going to ask information from, all you're going to do is click name and email, and that's it. All right. If you'd like to have a disclaimer, basically a lot of people put up a disclaimer saying that I cannot guarantee results, etc., etc. Privacy text. All that stuff can be done over here. And that's pretty much it. Then you're done. Okay, it's like super simple to make. Right? I'm not making a really fancy looking one, obviously. This is like just a super basic thing, but you can use a nice image. I guess I didn't finish doing it correctly here. You can use a nice image over here. You can do all kinds of nice things with it and really make it into a nice little page that people will actually be able to use to go ahead and sign up to your account. So that's pretty much it. There's not a whole lot to see here. It's a very, very simple plugin. It works really well. I'll show you over here real quick. We can take a quick look here just so you can see a better idea of what you can do with this thing. Because I don't want to spend a whole lot of time showing you how to do it. I personally have other software that I already use that does this kind of thing. Okay. Let's see if we can see the actual finished squeeze page.
Conversions increased in 5.
And the nice thing, by the way, is this will actually store your lead. I guess started this thing. The nice thing, another thing, by the way, you actually can see a picture here of what it would look like. So basically, it's just a very basic thing. You're going to have a background image. It's going to have the text on top, the main headline, enter your email address, and then a submit button. That's pretty much it. Okay. Now, the nice thing, by the way, that I also liked here, back to here. Here it is. Okay, other thing that I really liked about Affiliengine is that over here, it'll actually let you store all of your subscribers. It'll capture them right there inside the software. And you can just go ahead and import it into your autoresponder as you need. So it's very, very simple, very easy to use, and it's cost $18. So if you need a simple way of building a squeeze page, and every marketer on the planet needs a simple way of building a squeeze page, then yeah, that's pretty much it. There's nothing much to see here. It's very simple, very easy to use. And yeah, let's see if I'm going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
The giant hat, sir.
Someone says, yes, I am giving a tip of my hat to the product creator. For somebody who needs something simple and easy to use, this is simple and easy to use. Bottom line, there's not a whole lot of settings there. It's not difficult to figure out. It's very basic, very simple. Just go ahead and install it in WordPress, and within a few seconds, you can actually build your own squeeze pages. It's very, very easy. Go and grab it. You're going to love it.